Hi, welcome to my channel. When you send an email to a large group of people from Gmail, are you manually entering each person's name in the recipient box? Wouldn't that be easier if you could enter a group name and send it off in one click? Let's say if the number of recipients are only 6 people, you will not fail. But if you're dealing with number of recipients more than 20, there are higher possibilities that you might miss some of them. By creating a group email, you can avoid this. I will show you how I create Gmail group as it is super convenient. Let's start from the beginning. Open your Gmail. Get to your main screen. Then click on this icon and it will expand. This shows all of your Gmail's contact you created in the past. Next, click on the expand icon and it will open another tab or screen. This is your digital address book for your Gmail. It is called Google Contacts. As an example, I created 5 contacts. Before creating a group, Gmail calls it label. Let me show you how I create a new contact. Press Create Contact button. And the new pop-up will open to fill in your contact's information. Usually, you only need to enter their name and email address and click Save. The next step is to create an email group list. Again, Google calls it a label. Click on Create Label. A pop-up will ask, how would you like to name the group? You can name it whatever you like. Class 01, Meeting 01, or Group 01. Also, you can create more than one group or label. Let's settle with Group 1 for now. And click Save. The easier way to add everyone on your contact into a Group 1 email list is to checkmark these boxes and click on Manage Labels. It will ask you which group to sort these contacts. If you have more than one group, it will show you in the drop-down menu. I only have one, which is Group 1, and click. Click Apply. Now all the contacts from Mr. A to Mr. E are in the Group 1 email list. Click on the group name on the left to double-check who is in this email list. If you want to remove someone from the group, check mark on the contact. Click Manage Label. And click on the existing group. Click Apply. Then, this person is removed from the group. Going back to your Gmail, compose your mail, and in the recipient box, all you have to type is Group 1, and Mr. A to Mr. E are automatically added. Once you fill in the title and main text, you're ready to send your email. By the way, if you're annoyed by these contacts showing on your right side, click on this X button. It will minimize. That's the end. Thanks for watching. If you liked my video, please rate it high and subscribe for more upcoming videos.